future generations to feed if this advice we heed. It grows into a tree, its shade for free, and the busy bee makes honey from thee. The water's motion can cause no erosion, reduces pollution more than man's life emission, and to pass the vision that to save the environment be our mission, for the future generations to change our condition. See, we need the seed our generations they will feed. Global warming is but a warning. Revert to farming to kick away famine. See, all over the land and sea, we need the seed our generations to feed, only if this advice we heed.